Welcome to another video. Get ready for a journey that will ignite your passion and expand your horizons. In this video you are about to discover 5 watches that shaped the world. Let's dive right in. Watches are not merely devices for keeping time. They are also symbols of human innovation, craftsmanship, and the relentless pursuit of precision. Over the centuries, watches have played a pivotal role in shaping the world in various ways. From facilitating global navigation to aiding in scientific discoveries, watches have left an indelible mark on history. In this video, we will explore 5 iconic timepieces that have not only stood the test of time, but have also played a significant role in shaping the world. Number 1. The Marine Chronometer. Precision for seafarers. The marine chronometer is where we start our exploration of the world of timepieces. Marine chronometer accuracy was critical to international trade and exploration in the 18th century. The marine chronometer, developed by British clockmaker John Harrison, was a key innovation that transformed navigation. Before it was developed, sailors used less precise techniques to find their whereabouts at sea, like celestial navigation. This frequently resulted in shipwrecks, fatalities, and negative economic effects. Harrison's creation revolutionized society. His H4 chronometer, the result of decades of research and development, could precisely keep time at sea under the most trying circumstances. This invention not only prevented death but also facilitated the growth of empires and international trade, greatly influencing the modern world. No. 2. Rolex Oyster Perpetual. Another famous watch that had a big impact on the world was the Rolex Oyster Perpetual, which debuted in 1926. It was the first waterproof watch, designed to withstand the rigors of daily life, including water exposure. The Oyster case, which featured a hermetically sealed case, was a game-changer in the watch industry. This innovation was not only a milestone for horology but also had broader implications. The Rolex Oyster Perpetual was a major factor in the rise in popularity of wristwatches, changing people's perceptions of them from delicate ornaments to durable and functional tools. Its impact on engineering and design went beyond the realm of watches, inspiring the development of waterproofing technologies in other industries like diving equipment, and even the creation of waterproof clothing. Number 3. The Omega Speedmaster. A watch that touched the stars. A timepiece that is renowned and has had a lasting impact on human history as the Omega Speedmaster. Its participation in the Apollo space missions is its main claim to fame. In 1965, NASA selected the Speedmaster as the official watch for astronauts. And during the Apollo 11 mission in 1969, it was the first watch to be worn on the Moon. Beyond only being a commercial success for Omega, the Speedmaster's trip into space served as evidence of the accuracy, durability, and reliability of this watch. It played a pivotal role in ensuring the astronauts' safety since it made it possible for them to precisely time engine burns, which was necessary for their return to Earth. The watch's association with space exploration not only boosted Omega's reputation, but also symbolized mankind's achievement in conquering the cosmos. Number 4. The Casio G-Shock. Ruggedness and reliability. Introduced in 1983, the Casio G-Shock is a classic watch that had a unique impact on the world. It was designed by Kakuo Ai, a Casio engineer who was inspired to create a watch that could withstand the hardships of daily life. As a result of its shock-resistant construction, the watch was almost unbreakable. The G-Shock was more than simply a watch. It was a fashion accessory and a representation of toughness and dependability. It appealed to a wide audience, from military personnel and athletes to outdoor enthusiasts and urban fashionistas. Its influence extended beyond the field of horology and affected the creation of several other items, such as cameras, mobile phones, and other electronic devices. Number 5. The Apple Watch. Redefining wearable technology. In the 21st century, the Apple Watch has emerged as a revolutionary timepiece that has not only transformed the world of watches but also the way we live. The Apple Watch, which debuted in 2015, is a single gadget that combines connection, style, and health tracking. This smartwatch has shaped the world by redefining the concept of wearables. It has made health monitoring possible in new ways by enabling users to monitor their heart rate, ECG, activity levels, and even detect falls. The Apple Watch also brought wearable technology to the mainstream, inspiring numerous other brands to develop their smartwatches. In conclusion, watches have played a pivotal role in shaping the world throughout history. From facilitating global exploration and navigation to influencing fashion, watches have left their mark on various aspects of human life. The Marine Chronometer, Rolex Oyster Perpetual, Omega Speedmaster, Casio G-Shock, and Apple Watch are just a few examples of timepieces that have not only stood the test of time, but have also left an enduring impact on the world, demonstrating the significant role that watches play in shaping our lives and culture. For more amazing videos as such, like and subscribe our channel.